What's the problem?
Yeah, the issue is just, the opposition party. They make themselves crowded at the front of the polling booth, monitoring people's votes. For no reason. I see no reason why they should crowd themselves over there. And that's the point I'm making. That's the complaint I'm giving the security officers to work on that. It's not normal. You don't have right to look at people's votes. We cannot secret vote. Let them vote their conscience and complete. That's just it.
Decorum, please, decorum. Your Excellency, Your Excellency, hello. Just one question and we are done. Your Excellency, your assessment about the election. Just ask your ballot a few minutes ago. Your assessment about the process.
Yes, I've done my civic duty, I voted, and as of now, things are going on with most people. I hope it stays that way. But I have it on authority information that there is one police officer that they brought to come and do an active job, the APC Osun, from Port Harcourt. They call his nickname London. He's here in Ede hiding. His own job is to come and destroy Ede and then avoid so that he can scare people, shooting, so that they will not vote. So I'm calling the Inspector General of Police to take note. I'm calling.
Wọ́n lè complain. Òun lè complain. Òun lè complain. Nígbà tó ń kọ̀ fún sẹ́yìn wọ́n. Kí ni iṣẹ́ ti ẹnu gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ yìí? Kí ni iṣẹ́ gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ yẹn? Kí ni iṣẹ́ ìrẹ́pẹ̀ yẹn kò tó bẹ̀ tó ní pàtó ìjọsìn lókè? Kí ni iṣẹ́ rẹ̀? Kí